Hello, you want your power meter to have a better response time? Your power meter measurement is noisy and you want a stable output? In this EO Wiki, I will give you the answer of both of these questions, and it's related to a lesser known feature called the anticipation. Welcome to Gentec-EO Academia. I'm Charles Dumas from Gentec-EO, your partner for accuracy. Wait no more, I don't want your anticipation to make you skip to the middle of this video. The anticipation means that the feature accelerates the natural response. You can expect the anticipation feature to improve the natural response of your detector by a factor of 10. It is called the accélère with the mirror. This applies to thermal detector, which means our UP, XLP and HP series. What's the natural response? It is the time a detector takes to output a stable signal after a stable laser beam is first in contact with its absorbing surface. You want to have a more responsive power meter? You need to make sure the anticipation is turned on, like here with the mirror. Because we know how the thermopile natural response is, we can apply an algorithm on how it will be when the laser and the detector will be stable. This algo will speed up the signal output when your signal is increasing or decreasing. Let me give you a short example. If you're using a thermal detector such as UP, XLP or HP, then take a laser power meter measuring 5 watts of continuous power, and you increase the power to 10 watts. The monitor will not display 10 watts instantly. Without the anticipation, it could take several seconds for the signal to stabilize again, and the device will then display the 10 watt. With the anticipation feature activated, your display or interface will detect the rate of change in power and will predict that the power is 10 watt in a fraction of a second or a few seconds depending on the detector that you're working with. Of course, bigger detector will have a slower response time and smaller, faster. And you won't need the detector to stabilize it. The Gentec-EO has its own algorithm for this purpose, and it's the fastest in the industry. For those who are using the all-new mirror altitude, you can turn it on right here or off. Here we are. For day-to-day measurement, do you need the anticipation? The answer is yes. For service, the same. The anticipation feature is turned on by default on all of our devices. So when should you turn it off? Maybe sometimes it's useful not to use it. Most of the case, the anticipation needs to be deactivated when you have a common problem, which is the noise. Since the algorithm detects the change in the signal, it can amplify the noise that you can see here. So turning down the anticipation will give you a more stable but slower response. This is very good when you do burn-in test. Also, when the anticipation is on, you could see a small overshoot in the measurement. Maybe you will see this when I will touch it and I will release it. And this can be seen with an overshoot that could be roughly 5%. It's the anticipation algo that was a little bit too quick and overestimated the signal. You can remove this artifact by turning off the anticipation. Now you know all about the anticipation, which helps speed up the measurements on thermal detector such as the UP, XLP and HP detector. Thank you for watching this video.